Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Straight into this one. It's going to be very random. I'm just going to show you what I've bought so far. So, as some of you are aware, I'm getting my turbo fitted on December the 2nd with WG Motorworks, which is awesome. I cannot wait to happen. I cannot wait for it to happen, I should say. But either way, we're going to do an oil change, hopefully while we're there. If not, I'll do it afterwards. But we've bought some more 5W30. The reason I've gone for 5W30, just it's slightly thicker. Obviously the engine's going to be running a little bit hotter because it's running more power, blah, 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 blah. That's recommended, or 5W40 some people use, or some tuners use. I'm just going to stick with 5W30. Obviously new oil filter, I've got all my gaskets, so that's the firing. In case you guys need your manifold to turbo gasket. So that's the manifold to turbo gasket in case you guys need one of them. And then I got my oil return drain pipe thing, gasket thing, and a pollen filter which I'm going to fit today. So that's getting fitted today. We're also doing window wipers today, and my parcel shelf thing snapped. I don't know, long story short, but basically we're going to replace that. And then I'm going to hoover all the car out, and then I'm going to head out on a separate video. And we are going to, I'm just going to give you a quick run around of my car of exactly what it's got on it in terms of, let's say it's the end of November basically. So this is what my car's going to have at the end of November. So obviously Revo 2, blah, 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 blah. But that'll be a separate video, me walking around the car, explaining what I've got on it, where I got most of the stuff from, discount codes that maybe you guys can get, that kind of thing. So anyway, on to the video. First things first, let's empty the car of all of this. So I mean, we've got my coat, that used to be my thing. I'm just showing you the thing that snapped. This snapped. These are like £8 to replace for a blooming bungee cord. I'm so angry, but at least it can get replaced. So I mean, that's the end of it. I mean, underneath I think it's just like a little, almost like a clip that you have to push in. Anyway, we'll do that in a minute. Right, I've got my work waterproof coat. I've got my helmet. It's my track day helmet. And I've got wellies from Wales, which is like many months ago. So I'm going to empty all of this and then we'll be back. So that's the old one out. We got a new one here. All we got to do is push the new one in. Oh, it's a bloody tight fit. Okay, that one's in. That now holds up to here. And there we go. Replaced. Awesome. Right, that's one job done. Next job, window wipers, followed by hoovering the whole car. So that'll be fun. So window wipers time. So the connector we're going to use is this one. I think it's number 2 in the Bosch box. Once again, we're going to make sure we line up the arrows. Slide that into there like that. And we'll slide this into there, like so. That's one done. We're now just going to do the other one. So up here. It's the same thing, push the button. So be careful of the metal on the glass. Bam. Done. That is how you change window wipers apparently. Very simple to do. Cool. Okay, so the pollen filter is located in the driver's footwell. So if we just undo this little plastic screw here, that pops out. I mean, this will pop out anyway, so I won't pop out that just yet. And then we just pry this. There you go, comes straight out. Pry this off. Like so. You can see that your pollen filter is in here. So we need to undo that little box just there. which are, by looks of things, Torx bits. Great, Torx bits. So hopefully you can see, basically it's these Torx bit here, and there's also one up there, and then that'll open this door, then we can get to it. There's a T20 Torx. One screw, and then like I said before, there's another one just up here. You probably won't be able to see because the light is in a bad place right now, but that then comes off. And then that is your pollen filter. So we'll just compare the two, but inside this one we've got, I would say, quite a bit of debris. I don't know if you can see that. I'll see if I can fold it in half. You're not going to be able to see, but there is quite a bit in there, and it is actually coating my hands in a lot of dirt, which I'm now getting on the seats. So this is a Bosch filter. So that's the difference. It was probably well overdue a change. You can actually see the dirt just in there. There you go. So I would say it was well overdue a change. Now on these filters they normally have a direction of flow. So there you go, so it says airflow just there. So that means the air is going to come from the outside, which is this side, to your cabin, which is this side. So make sure obviously when you put it in, it's going to be put in like that. So once again, take note of the airflow. So I obviously want the airflow coming into the cabin. So it's going to go in this way round. This is very hard to do one-handed. I might just use two hands, but basically it's going into there. There we go. Now once again, this cover goes back on, so I think it goes on this way around. There's a little clip up top as well, so. There's one. So there are clips on the back side of this, as you can see just down here, and they all basically go into the correct holes along here. So it's quite easy to do, just line them all up. Once again, I'm going to use two hands for this because I'm not sure one hand's going to work. Yeah, I'm just going to use two hands. Basically we're going to pop this all back in, put the screw back in, and we're all done. So that concludes that little video. Hopefully you guys semi-enjoyed it. I guess like a little maintenance-y video. It's nothing cool, fun. Either way, turbo's being fitted December the 2nd. There's merch down below, so check out the descriptions there. There's loads of discount codes. You've got WG Motorworks discount code, Autobeam, DC3D Designs, Cal's Customs, Because Race Car Box, Xeons Online. There's tons. CR10, use it, get a discount. It doesn't give me anything, but it gives you guys money off, so why wouldn't you do it? Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.